Politics aside, if there's a good job to be awarded, it should definitely go to Theresa May for her ability to hang in these past few weeks in the face of tremendous opposition while contending with what many believe to be an impossible situation. The UK PM has just survived a no confidence vote and will now head off to Brussels to see just how unwilling the EU is to compromise and stretch for additional reassurances to the deal so that May can return with something more substantive for her government to approve. We remain optimistic that a deal will be secured and don't believe it is in the best interests of the EU to encourage a disorderly Brexit as it contends with its own battles from within. And yet our optimism for a deal is shared by very few, and the reality of the alternative needs to be considered. For the moment, optimism has worked its way back into the pound, with the currency recovering from fresh 2018 lows against the buck below 125. This is quite the departure from the post-EU referendum high in the major pair from earlier this year when we were trading some 20 big figures higher. May has defied odds thus far, and if she can somehow do so again and produce a deal that pushes through, there will be a major repricing of the pound that plays out as protective hedges are released. Looking at the bigger picture in FX, we're witnessing a battle with respect to the outlook for the US dollar, with the buck seesawing back and forth. But given the trend for much of this year has been dollar bearish, this latest wave of dollar selling and fight we're seeing from this side could be sending a message that we're getting close to getting back to a dollar downtrend. We've cited euro dollar 115 as the level to watch above, and if broken, could be the catalyst for that trend shift. Looking at the calendar for the day, the major standouts are central bank decisions from the SNB and ECB. U.S. initial jobless claims are out in North America. That's all for now.